remembered the man who became President of Spain, the first elected president, or should I say Prime Minister, after Franco passed away. His job was to unite this country. He did that reasonably well, apart from when it came to a Classico evening. Nobody sits on the fence in this one, apart from maybe that man, Alberto Undiana-Mayenko, the 9th time he's taken charge of El Gran Clasico. Well, it's the 168, and possibly one of the most... Shake up Alves. That is a good strong tackle. We have the Spanish media today are telling us that Undiana-Mayenko is one of the referees that lets things go. Here is Neymar, one-on-one situation, and he forces the first save of the evening from Diego Lopez.
Good play on the break, great counter-attack break, and, you know, Messi.
It's last Liga Classico, of course, there's still a chance that Puyol may play in the cup final. But here is Benzema, bearing down on goal. That's the man who scored that goal after 23 seconds a couple of years back.
Well, outstretched leg here, that's the...
For Neymar, the Brazilian, bring back Fabregas. Ball is teased up there, and there's certainly a case to consider.
I think he felt the contact. Cristiano was backpedaling. Dani Alves just didn't let him go. Yeah, Rob, you're right. 42 goals for and only 10 conceded. Here's Lionel Messi.
Here's Messi. On the blind side is Iniesta! Did he make that pay? Lightning strikes at the Bernabeu. Banana-coloured boots for the occasion. Gareth Bale deep into Barca territory. Trying to feed it to Benzema. There's a foul off the ball. Benzema continues. And no strength in the shot.
Yeah, good break there from Gareth Bale. Showed that athleticism and the turn of pace through the Valdez.
Marcelo. Di Maria better think this time. Swiftly into the area. Let's it back. Benzema! Fluffs his lines on the big stage.
Well, that was nothing short of sensational, the run from that man, Di Maria. What a run. He's gone past 3 or 4 Barcelona.
For many years, of course, Barcelona control the ball. Look at that, the control from Messi. Bang on side. Can he finish it? No. Lionel Messi could.
Wow. What a great chance for the little man to increase the lead. And there's a lot of people appealing for offside. And he's not as the ball's played. You can see.
Di Maria, brilliant ball again to Benzema. Benzema toe-to-toe with Piqué. Ronaldo, chance. Well, took an awkward skip off the service, but always 31 only. Of course, Atletico Madrid, crucially, beat them here this season.
Oh, look at
Messi, great ball. Neymar takes it in his stride, has to steady himself. Stopped once by Pepe, and then Pepe was ankle out.
Wrong side though before the build-up, Rob, I'll have to say. Marcelo was wrong side. Look, you can see Neymar's got 5 yards on him.
It's a second stat. Bale. Di Maria's cross. Benzema fighting one. What a goal! Well, Valdez got a hand to it. He'll feel he should have kept it out, but Benzema is away celebrating.
Well, this game's certainly living up to the billing, Rob. That's a fabulous cross.
Entertaining, enthralling, always exciting. Fourth of the game gone. Di Maria has space, cuts it in. Benzema! His second!
My goodness.
Di Maria got off his sick bed to create that one, and it was a Benzema blast.
Well, he might have missed the sitter in the first 7 or 8 minutes. Karim Benzema.
There's Di Maria.
I think that's the plan, give it to Di Maria.
Di Maria is having an exceptional game. Gets the cross in. Benzema waiting. His hat-trick is denied by Piqué. How this game has turned.
Rob, I don't know how he's getting past him. Di Maria looks like he's been caught. He just powers past whoever tries to stop him and gets in cross.
At the Bernabeu, but what there is of a roof has been raised by the supporters. It's Ronaldo. The referee took a long lingering look at that as Modric flew it over the bar.
I'd love to know the stats for chances and shots here. My goodness, 27 minutes.
Enjoyed that.
I think he nearly took the linesman out as well. Now there it is, it does hit him on the hand.
Yep.
That's what they were appealing for.
Messi tries to quicken the game. Bounces off Ramos, plays it into Neymar. Slow to react, but Messi's not. Oh, little Messi individually brings Barcelona back into the game.
There's a problem. Inching it off the ball, Rob.
And the referee instinctively reaches for the card. And it had been a rather friendly Clasico until that point.
Well, Pepe's down and out.
Well, it all kicked off as Barcelona headed away to celebrate. And the referee is going to show the yellow card once Pepe comes round to his senses. Classico. Carvajal. Half stopped by Alba, but he won't go away. Come across the line. Benzema.
Oh my goodness.
He scored 2. He could have had 5.
Wow. Well, he's had 1 cleared off the line by Jwlur.
By the standards of this giant fixture, this has been exceptional so far. Which way will it sway? Nobody can tell. Some of the greatest football. Bale. Imposing some great run from Gareth Bale. Bale to Benzema.
What a
brilliant stop by Valdez. Danger hasn't gone away. Cristiano Ronaldo. Di Maria. Over the head of Benzema. Bale comes flying in. But the referee saw that as a foul.
That's a good challenge, I thought. It was hung up at the far post. But what a scintillating run from Gareth Bale. He explodes through the middle. And
Di Maria. Now Ronaldo. Into the area where they have to be careful. He's down. It's a penalty. Well, he clearly thinks that it was a goal-scoring opportunity and he would want that to be a red card. But I think he's maybe stretching things here.
I think he is stretching things. And I'll tell you, that's outside the box. There it is. It's at least 6 inches outside the box and he falls in. And that's going to be a big controversy tomorrow. If Ronaldo scores it.
Ronaldo! At it again! On the big stage, in the big game, he gets the big goal.
26 in the league, Rob. 42 goals for the season. A massive, massive goal.
Now though, cuts it across. Benzema regains a little lovely back flick. Bale, and it needed saving. Valdez got all of his angles correctly worked out.
Oh, when these front 3 are on song, Ronaldo cuts it back here for Karim Benzema, who can't get the shot and tees it up for...
He's making the movement in the centre. Comes out to Iniesta. Oh, some shot.
Oh, it looks like he's taking a flexion, I'll tell you what. It's a snapshot from the edge of the box, left-footed again from Andres Iniesta.
Neymar. No strength at all. Messi.
Good ball.
Perfect pass. Neymar.